The quality of life is dependent on your lifestyle. Hi, I'm Sheetal. Today I'm going to perform asanas and meditations which will help to manage diabetes. The first pose that I will be performing is called
Paschimottanasana, or the seated forward bend.
To begin, I'm in the Dandasana pose, that is the staff pose. While my legs are straight, I'm pressing my heels away from the body and pressing my fingertips on the floor beside my hips. While inhaling, I'm raising both my arms up and lengthening my torso upwards. While exhaling, I'm leaning forward towards my feet and holding my toes. If you can comfortably reach your toes, then hold the sides of your feet with your hands. With each inhalation, I'm lifting and lengthening my front torso just slightly, and with each exhalation, I'm bending a little more forward. I'm consciously lengthening my spine without rounding my back. If you're able to hold your feet, bend your elbows outwards to the sides and lift them away from the floor. Try to stay in this position for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute. To come up, I'm releasing my feet. I'm inhaling and lifting my torso by pulling my tailbone down and into the pelvis. The second asana which I am performing is called Uttana vakrasana. I'm lying on the back with my legs together. Then, I'm folding both my knees and placing them near my buttocks. Then, I'm interlocking my fingers and placing my palms below my head. I'm double-checking that my breathing is normal. Then I turn my neck towards the right while I drop both legs on the floor towards the left. Now I'm closing my eyes and observing my breath for 3 to 5 repetitions. Observe the stretch in the side trunk and the right hip. Closely pay attention to a soft twist in the abdomen, which is giving a gentle massage to the organ inside the belly. Whenever ready, come back to the initial position. Now, I'm repeating the same position, but I'm reversing the sequence. While performing this asana, you should not force your knees or neck towards the floor. Instead, let them drop naturally. For better results, repeat this asana for 3 to 5 breaths each for 2 to 4 rounds. The third pose I am performing is called Ardha Matsyendrasana, or Half Lord of the Fishes pose. I'm sitting with my legs straight. I'm folding my right knee. Keep the knees and the heel together. I'm putting my left elbow to press the right knee while I raise my left palm flat. Simultaneously, I'm placing my right palm closer to my buttocks. I'm inhaling and lengthening my spine with an exhale, and I'm turning my back, looking only at the right shoulder. I'm breathing 2 to 3 breaths. Time to release the posture. Yoga showers us with peace, happiness, and health. On this healthy note, this is Sheetal taking your leave. Until we meet next, keep growing, keep glowing.